A Ukrainian drone pilot achieved a remarkable feat by striking a Russian tank 12 miles from the front line. This operation sets a new record for long-distance UAV strikes in the ongoing conflict. The UAV operator managed to incapacitate the tank at a distance of 22 kilometers, despite Russian tanks being kept 10 kilometers from the front. Ukraine has accelerated its drone technology, becoming a significant force in UAV development and production. Kyiv's army of drones includes a variety of UAVs such as kamikaze and reconnaissance drones, and they use about 10,000 drones per month. Drones remain a pivotal presence in the 20-month-old war, constantly evolving in both offensive and countermeasures. Drones are considered the superweapon in the conflict, as stated by a Ukrainian official. The economical use of drones for striking targets is highly advantageous for Ukraine, allowing for cost-effective engagements. Ukrainian drones, some costing only a few $100s, have been effective against Russian tanks and troops. Russia, however, is not far behind, employing Iranian-designed kamikaze drones against Ukrainian infrastructure. Moscow is reportedly using drones to target high-value equipment provided to Kyiv, such as Leopard 2 tanks. Russian military bloggers and the ISW have noted Russia's use of an advanced Lancet suicide drone with an automatic guidance system. These drones can distinguish between different types of targets, which increases their strike success rate. The advancement of drone technology on both sides shows a rapid adaptation to the modern battlefield. The use of UAVs by Ukraine and Russia underlines the changing dynamics of surveillance and direct combat roles drones now play. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI, drones, and military, don't forget to subscribe.